Now I have to show you how to clean the shrimp. This is shrimp, white shrimp. In your home, when you go to supermarket, you have the fresh. We call this a white shrimp. For today, I use everything, the head inside, and use for deep fry with oil to make shrimp oil, and the shell, everything to deep fry with lemongrass to make the shrimp stock. But I wash the shrimp. Many times when you saw the person, they not have the head. This head, they have only like this, or just like this. For me, I like to clean everything, and then you can see that when you eat, you not smell more fishy, and then taste the shrimp. One more time, the shrimp. Take it from the head to the chin, and then head and the body separate. Then you can squeeze like this, because when you cook, don't need to have the eye. The shrimp eye, don't need the shrimp eye. And then this, put in the bowl. And the shell, you can move, or you don't need to move the legs separate. You just like this, and then you hold the shrimp and one hand with the shell, and then you pull the tail come out. Then you have everything. Then you cut on the back. For you can see that's the black poop. Or I like to cut all, and then they can come out all the way, or like this. But this one, you don't worry, because it's the tender. For shrimp, when they cook, they keep curve. Only when you want to tempura. For tempura, you have to cut the tender. For shrimp, they can go like a straight like this. Then that's when you can roll with the egg and the flour to make like tempura. But the tempura, someone like want to keep the tail for look beautiful and easy when you have in the flour. But when you cook the soup and the curry, you take out everything, and then you clean like this shrimp. Someone make like butterfly. Okay, I can show you about butterfly. They keep like this, and they cut this out, and they cut in half the body like this, right? And then you put the tail to in the body. This butterfly look beautiful. They can charge you one shrimp 200 baht. Okay, 100 baht. No head. Okay, no tail. When you buy the shrimp, you have the tail like this. You want to take out the shrimp, you can squeeze like this. See, that's one. This only 50 baht, but I don't like beautiful. I like clean. Like this, I like to clean.